If z is equals to log x square plus y square by xy, show that dou square z by dou x dou y is equals to dou square z by dou y dou x. So here the given function is z is equals to log of x square plus y square by xy. So this is in the form of log a by b. You can write log a minus log b. And once again, if you see the second one, it is log ab. You can write that as log a plus log b from the formula. Log a plus log b is log ab. We can write from that formula. We have written like this in this form. So finally, you can write z as log x square plus y square minus log x plus into minus log y. So for this, if you are doing dou z by dou x, means differentiating this z with respect to, means it's a partial differentiation with respect to x, so that other variables are constant, treated as constant, that is y is treated as constant in this case. And if you see, if you apply partial differentiation on the right side here, so it is in the form of log x. You can write differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So the place of x we have x square plus y square. So we're differentiating again this. So it is dou by dou x of x square plus y square. And here if you see, it is a log x, means whose differentiation is 1 by x. And so because it is partial differentiation with respect to x, so it is total thing log y, the total thing is constant, so whose differentiation is 0. So next, if you just simplify here, it is as it is, and here it is partial differentiation of this function with respect to x, this term with respect to x. So it is 2x, and this y is treated as constant, so it is 0. So we'll get 2x by x square plus y square in the first term, and in the second term minus 1 by x as it is. And so it's a value of dou z by dou x. And if you write the z once again, so from here, that is log of x square plus y square minus log x minus log y, and we're differentiating this z with respect to, means partial differentiation of this z with respect to y. So that is dou z by dou y. So once again, in the form of log x, so 1 by x means 1 by x square plus y square, and dou by dou y of x square plus y square. And with respect to y, means partial differentiation with respect to y, means x is constant, so this total term log x is constant, so whose differentiation is 0, and it is in the form of log x, so it is 1 by x, and in the place of x we have y, so it is 1 by y here. So next is simplifying here. So dou by dou y of x square means it is 0 first term, and second term is 2y. So 2y by x square plus y square the first term, and the second term is minus 1 by 0 plus 1, and this is minus 1 by y. So it is a dou z by dou y value, this is, and we require dou square z by dou x dou y. So we can write that as dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. So you can see here it is dou square z and dou x dou y. So if you write dou by dou x of dou z by dou y, just now we have calculated, that is 2y by x square plus y square minus 1 by y. So dou by dou x of 2y by x square plus y square minus dou by dou x of 1 by y. So with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x, so this y will be constant, so total 2y is constant, writing outside, and dou by dou x of 1 by x square plus y square, and this is constant, so it is 0 because it is y. So 2y, and I'm converting it as x square plus y square power of minus 1. So it is the form of x to the power of n. So you can write n into x to the power of n minus 1, means minus 1 into, means this differentiation, minus 1 into x square plus y square whole to the power of minus 1, means n minus 1 in the place of n minus 1 and minus 1. So it is minus 2. So if you write in the denominator, it is plus 2, means if you write that as in the denominator. So x power minus 2, if you write in the denominator, it is 1 by x square. In the same way, we are writing here this in the denominator, so you will get x square plus y square whole square, and minus 1 is there in the numerator, and once again dou by dou x of x square y square we have to do. And if you simplify in the next step, it is a minus 2y by x square plus y square whole square, and it is 2x, and this term will be 0. So when you once again simplify here, it is minus 2 into 2 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. So it is a dou square z by dou x dou y value. Let us take this as equation number 1, and we require dou square z by dou y dou x also, so that you can write that as dou by dou y of dou z by dou x. So we have found out dou z by dou x here, 2x by x square plus y square minus 1 by x. So we are writing that here the same thing, and this you apply when dou by dou y of when you apply this partial differentiation to each term, it is so with respect to y means x is constant and 2 is also constant. So writing outside 2x into dou by dou y of 1 by x square plus y square minus dou by dou y of 1 by x, and once again it is in the same we are converting it to x to the power of minus 1. So differentiation of dou by dou y of x square plus y square to the power of minus 1, and this is 1 by x means with respect to y, so x constant, so total term differentiation total term is treated as constant whose differentiation is 0. We're writing in the next line here, and if you do this differentiation to this term, it is once again n into x to the power of n minus 1, and we're writing that this term in the denominator, so we can write plus here as discussed in the earlier steps, and dou by dou y of x square plus y square, and once again if you simplify, it is minus 2x by x square plus y square whole square, and with respect to y x constant 0, and it is y square means 2y, and once again if you simplify here, it is 2 into 2 4, and plus into minus minus, so minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. So this is equation number 2. So if you observe equation number 1, right side is same, minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square, and equation 2 also right hand side is same, that is minus 4xy by x square plus y square whole square. So right, RHS is same, so we can confirm from equation 1 to that LHS also same, means dou square z by dou x dou y, dou square z by dou y dou x are same. So that is asked, so he is asked to show like this, so hence we have shown this, so hence it is proved. So for more videos, please subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.